Hello. What's good, guys? It's your girl Justine, also known as Just Sold Out, back here today with another unboxing. We have one of the most popular sneakers to date, a beautiful Jordan 1. Let's open this baby up. The sneaker came in a classic Jordan 1 box. You got your Nike red logo against a black box. You got your Air Jordan 1 Retro High sticker. Nothing new here, nothing crazy that you haven't already seen before. Smelly. So as you can tell, I was able to pick up the Jordan 1 Marina Blue. I copped it in my size. I'm a 7 women's, also 5.5 men's. Like all Jordan 1s, stay true to size. It's what I recommend. If you have your normal Jordan 1 size, just stick to it. So these sneakers actually released earlier this year, February 16th. I did take a big fat L, but luckily they did recently restock. Not only was I able to pick up my size, but my husband Justin was also able to pick up his size as well. So we have matching sneakers. Originally when I saw this, I thought that this was the royal blue colorway, but if you actually look at the shoe, you'll see that it's not. Some of the colors have been reversed on certain panels. I think the prime example is the Bam. This should be a blue, but it's actually black because this is a Marina Blue shoe. In addition, you got your mud guard, which also traditionally in the past would have been reversed. So essentially like the front half of the shoe is just a little bit different from that royal blue colorway. On the ankle collar in black, you'll see the Air Jordan logo embossed into the shoe. The sneaker comes complete with a white midsole and a blue outsole. Got your classic blue Nike outsole. The sneaker retailed for $170. It doesn't really have crazy resale value, but for a Jordan 1, it looks great. It goes great with a lot of different styles. It also released in full family size runs, so get your kids, get the toddlers, get the full fam sizes if you really want them. In the front on the Bamp, you'll see perforations all throughout this panel. While this sneaker doesn't actually have premium materials, it does feel really great. I feel like it's kind of an in-between of a premium and like a regular material. Overall, everything feels smooth and very clean and simple to wear. As you can see, I haven't laced them up yet. I think I'm going to do one sneaker with white laces and one with the blue. Personally, I don't really care for the black laces just because the tongue is black and I feel like it really won't give the contrast that I'm always looking for in a sneaker. I do like how the blue hits on top of it though. I thought it would really just kind of mesh all together, but it actually does look pretty nice. Pretty wild that it came with both blue and black and white laces. You just have a bunch of different options, but love it. On the inside of the shoe, you got your classic insole. Nothing special. That Nike logo will probably come off within like 3 or 4 wears. Personally, I like this shoe for summer because the collar is made with a black colored material. So for someone who has pretty sweaty feet, I feel like that will kind of hold everything and cover up any sweat that is actually coming through. Just a thought, you know, gotta keep the hyperhidrosis in check. Overall, I'd say quality on the shoe is pretty great. I only see kind of like one loose kind of threading. I would say like all the stitches are looking pretty good. I kept staring at the toe box though because I thought literally the very, very tip of the toe was kind of looking a little funny, but what you gonna do? All right. All right. Excited to lace these up and put them on. I'll drop some on feet footage at the very end of this video. Let me know what you guys think about this sneaker. Was this a shoe that you were able to pick up on the restock, or were you able to get it successfully when it first released? Let me know in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.